Hello guys, today we're 1v1ing my little brother. 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, go. He is a so little baby. He is a little kid and he attacked first, so I will kill him so fast. Okay. He is not good at this because he is level 600 and I am 200. He get the first kill here because he is more in Blackfoot and he has a good great I can kill him if he don't attack first, and I can kill him in one hit if in my real account. This is a bad account and I see him, so attack him with the red beam and my mana is gone and it is 1-0. So I turn my PvP and he died there. So I said to him that turn his PvP on. And I turn mine. Turn yours in a minute. It will be a good fight to fight. 1, 2. I am belonging and I am belonging. He attack. What? You attack again? So I will kill you, huh? You are little fish right now. Oh. I'm really mad. It is what it is going to be. I will be surprised attacking him. I am not now going to 1, 2, 3 and I'm running my PvP so I can. Yes, I am cheating to be mine and he will be dead like a big cow. I killed him but no reward because he is higher level than mine. Easy win, so I said to him again, turn on your PvP. It is 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. It is 2, 2. 2-2 because he killed me 2-1. It is 2-1, right? 2-1. Yes, 2-1. And I killed him again in here. He tried to run away, but nope. I reflection kick him and it's easy win, boya. So when he cried here and he don't want to PvP anymore. So I will bye. Fast forward to the ending. Guys, okay, I am now ending. So if you want to help me, you can give me or anything, trade me, and thank you for today's goodbye. And thank you for watching my video channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.